Welcome to the Cobra Lang channel. Today I'm going to be opening, putting together, and reviewing my GIJoe 2011 Sky Fighter. Putting this thing together was so much fun. I felt like a kid again. Sitting down on the floor, and it's really simple to put together. Sticker sheets with alternates. Can't wait to put these on. Snap the front on, stick a few fins in there, and you're all set. Being lost in the moment, enjoying myself. Unfortunately, I lost the small little gun that came for Ace. So I should warn you to take your time when you put it together and don't lose the gun like I did. I'm not sure where they tucked it away. This Sky Fighter is just a nice improved Skystriker. This is great. I can't find Ace's gun. It's been years since I've put the stickers on a GIJoe vehicle. This was a lot of fun. Brought me back. I really love these alternate choice stickers. I might throw them on my vintage Skystriker. Alright, let's look at the XP-21F 2011 GIJoe Sky Fighter. What an improvement from the original. The plastic's slightly different, darker gray. The landing gear works just as great. A lot more detail, I must say, in this version. The cockpit only seats one, but is very detailed. One thing I'm not as happy about with this version is that the missiles don't stay on as well as the original. I really love this modern version of Ace. The harness system that holds the parachute pack really reminds me of the original ripcord. The helmet is removable. All the typical articulation that you would find in modern figures. Very detailed. I really like this holster on Ace's boot too. I'd like it a lot more if I didn't lose the gun. Yeah! It's stuck in this little seam along the corner of the plastic so it doesn't slip out. There it is. Ace's gun. Well, this concludes my short review on the Skystriker from 2011. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.